So guys, we just got here at Atlanta. It was about a 5-hour drive. Kind of tiring, but not that bad really. They're inside right now checking out the suite that we just booked, and yeah, we're staying right here at the Hampton Inn and Suites. So it's gonna be a good time. We're about to go to the Coca-Cola World. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside over there too. So you're about to taste it, right? All right, let's go. I might have some too. But let's go.
I'll have this one. 0.
Yeah.
What do you have?
I'll go try the Coca-Cola Life. Thank you. How about you?
Try it.
You too?
Let's go.
First time trying in like 5 years.
Yeah.
Yari. Good.
That was fun. Now I get it.
Sometimes you gotta live, right?
Good?
Good. So guys, we're about to enter the actual Coca-Cola tour.
Yay!
There's a lot of people in here.
There's like a lot of people.
Oh, yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah. What's up? What's good? What's good,
bro? What's good, bro?
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
Guys, we just got done watching that movie, right? The Coca-Cola movie. How was it?
That was really cool.
Very
cool. Touching.
Very touching. Are you gonna drink more Coke then from now on? Maybe. Marketing, guys, marketing.
We're about to taste 100 different beverages of Coca-Cola. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Thank you. We got it.
What's up? Guys, this place is hella cool. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but they have Coca-Cola pretty much from all over the world. So if you're from Asia, Australia,
The floor is so
Europe.
sticky. There's
yeah.
sugar everywhere. Sugar everywhere. Come on, let's go to brown, white,
go.
all kinds of sugar.
All right, guys, let's have some Coca-Cola. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me, but let's go try some. Alright, we just got done tasting 130 something Coca-Colas around the world. What's your favorite?
The Madagascar, the Surge one.
Surge? What's your favorite?
What? What are you talking about?
What's your favorite? What's your favorite flavor?
Oh, it's Sprite.
High in sugar right now.
High sugar? Yeah, she's
Yeah,
lost.
man, I'm so...
Either the...
What's your favorite one?
I'll probably go with Sprite.
Sprite? What's your favorite one?
I would go to Spain.
Spain?
Spain's good.
I like the Madagascar one.
Yeah.
Tastes like gulaman, guys.
Gulaman. If you don't know what gulaman is, just like search on Google.
Yeah.
Oh, I love Sprite. Sprite all the way.
What's up? What's up? Hey guys, you meant to meet cool people here in Georgia, so pretty amazing. Alright guys, we're about to go home, but we got caught in the rain. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's raining. So yeah, we're here until...
Let's do a little intermission. Like, who's most likely to? I don't know what I'm saying.
I love rain.
Yeah,
I love
we're all tired, so Probably have some dinner later.
Yeah.
Tour downtown if it's not raining.
If the rain.
Yeah. Guys, we are here at the Coca-Cola store. Coca-Cola,
I'm trying to
everything.
get this.
We're gonna buy Coca-Cola. I think you should get it. Oh, the light just went out.
Oh, that's so scary.
Yeah, I don't know what to get. Yeah, they got all this Coke merch around here.
Soon he will have his own merch.
Nah, not right now.
No, but he will. You guys wait for it.
There's like Coca-Cola stuff everywhere.
Oh.
Crazy. I think you should get it. What's up, guys? So we got rained on pretty much. We left Coca-Cola. I had to put the camera back. And yeah, we're drenched. We're all wet.
But we take risks. Adventures. We
I
take
like
risks.
rain.
We take risks. Like what I said in the last vlog.
What?
I love rain.
Like
I
rain, though.
like rain. Come on, take a picture of me here.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's just water. It's crazy because like they're selling umbrellas, but it's for $37. That's insane. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. But yeah, guys. Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog
My hair is so
wet.
weird.
But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.